lovers, it's Techinsight with Ike. And in this video, we're diving into something exceptional, something that really caught my attention in the tech world. Yeah, a couple of days ago, MKBHD had dropped his review of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, and he's calling it an iPhone, but better. Now, I've not tested this phone myself, but I have watched the review closely, and to be honest with you, I've got thoughts. Let's break the Nigerian tech perspective. What works, what doesn't, and why the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max even makes sense here. So, what really got Marques so hyped? First, let's see the design. Xiaomi has gone premium here. A 6.9-inch M10 AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and a sleek aluminum frame. The screen is stunning, with 36-bit color depth and a resolution of 1200 by 2608 pixels. It's built for creators and binge watchers. Then, there's the camera setup. Triple 50-megapixel lenses on the back, including a telephoto with optical zoom, plus a 50-megapixel selfie cam. Marques also praised the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip. This thing is a beast, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. And let's not forget the huge 7500 mAh battery with 100 watts wired, 50 watts wireless charging, and a 22.5 reverse charging. That's insane. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max debuts with HyperOS 3, a clean, fast, and polished interface built on Android 16. It brings sleeker animations, deeper customizations, and a refined look right out of the box. It gives you full control, from icon styles to dynamic themes that adapt to your routine. Feels fluid and intelligent, with AI-driven suggestions and buttery-smooth transitions, even during heavy multitasking. Let's go deeper into the specs to see why Marques might be right. The CPU is a dual cluster Orion setup, 2 cores at 4.6 GHz and 6 cores at 3.62 GHz. That's laptop level speed. The GPU is Qualcomm Adreno, optimized for gaming and video rendering. RAM runs at 5300 MHz, faster than most flagships. Storage options go up to 1TB. And yes, it's UFS 4.0, so blazing fast. Connectivity, you've got Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB Type-C 4.0. And the phone supports global 5G bands, so it should work with MTN and Airtel's 5G rollout here in Nigeria. Now, let's bring it home, Nigerian style. First, availability. Xiaomi phones aren't always easy to find here. You might spot them on Jumia or AliExpress or Konga, but don't expect to walk into a slot store and grab one. Second, network compatibility. The phone supports global 5G bands, but always double check if it works with MTN or Airtel's 5G rollout. The third one, after-sales support. Unlike Samsung or Tecno, Xiaomi doesn't have a strong repair network here. If it breaks, you are on your own. And finally, pricing. Globally, this phone is a steal, but by the time it lands here, with shipping and customs, it might cost close to an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, is MKBHD right? From a global perspective, absolutely. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is a flagship killer. But from a Nigerian lens, it is a mixed bag. If you are a tech enthusiast who can import and doesn't mind the disc, this phone is a dream. But for the average user here in Nigeria, you might better off with something like the Infinix 030, Tecno Phantom V Flip, or even a Samsung A series. All easier to buy, fix, and support locally. What do you think? Is Xiaomi beating Apple, or is it just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. Until next time, stay techy, stay curious, and keep your devices charged.